Hello, hello. This is another writer yoga series. In case you're writing an action or sci-fi fantasy, something where the characters are going to be moving a lot, I thought it'd be fun to do a warrior sequence. So we're going to stay standing for the entire practice. Make sure you have some room around you. And we're going to start in a mountain pose. So at the top of your mat, palms face the opposite wall. Take a deep breath in. Slow exhale out. And continue to take intentional breaths like that. Giving your body permission to relax. And give your mind permission to have fun with this practice. We're gonna start in a warrior one. Your right foot stays where it is, left foot comes back, bending into your right knee. Your back foot's at a 45-degree angle, arms reach up, shoulders are relaxed. You want your hips facing forward, so they're not facing this way, they're forwards. So adjust the width of your legs as needed. And remember, back foot's at a 45-degree angle. You shouldn't feel any pain in your back knee. Front knee should be nice and bent right over that ankle, okay? You're gonna feel your front leg working and you're gonna feel your left hip stretching. Your arms are probably getting tired. Maybe not yet, but they will be. So keep reaching them up. Energy from the soles of your feet to your fingertips. We're warriors. And from this warrior one, we're going to find warrior two. So you're rotating your torso and your hips. Arms come out to a T. You can leave your feet here in warrior one if that's comfortable. If it's not comfortable for you, just adjust so you have heel arch alignment. Always do what's best for your body. You do not have to copy me exactly. I'm going to leave my feet in warrior one though because it makes for an easier transition. Take a few more breaths here. Make sure that your front knee isn't leaning in. Keep it right over your ankle. I know, so much to think about. And we're going to transition back to warrior one. So left arm sweeps up and your hips and torso turn back to the front of the mat. Adjust your feet as needed. You can always pause the video if you want to adjust. There's no rush. Stop rushing yourself. Your to-do list is always going to be there. When I was working at my office job, it took me years to realize that no matter how much work you get done, there's always going to be more work waiting for you. So let's not rush. We got time. From this warrior one, we'll find our warrior three. So hinge forwards and fly. Into airplane warrior three, arms behind you. Your foot is flexed and you're pressing that heel up. I know it's not as pretty as the pointed toe, but we're going for functional movement. So your back foot is flexed. Press your heel up, activate your glute and your hamstring. Really lift through your right leg. And then we're gonna land this in a high lunge. So really slow. Bring the left ball of your foot down. Bend into your front knee, hands reach up, Every transition, I want you to feel beautiful and strong. So again, take your time. Enjoy the journey, not the destination. And from this high lunge, let's transition warrior two. This time I am doing warrior 2 feet. Heel, arch, bend. Make sure you're really getting in there. I know that quad might be getting tired. Maybe it's just me. I accidentally walked 20 miles the other day when I was being a tourist. So my legs are pretty tired today, but that's okay. It just means they're talking louder. Let's reach up and back. Peaceful warrior. Feel that side body stretch. You need that side body stretch. And then we're gonna find triangle. So straightening your front leg. Again, elegantly reaching forward, flip your palm, and then come down. Option to use blocks here. You could place this bottom hand on a block, or just like me, I'm just gently placing my hand against the legs. Energy from fingertip to fingertip, press into your big toe. And smile. You have to smile. Smiling is mandatory. It's good for you. The next time you go for a run or a walk, even if it's on the treadmill, make sure to take a few smiles. It really makes a difference in your performance. And come back up, warrior 2. Find your high lunge, pivot on your back foot. Again, nice and slow, enjoy the transition. And then find mountain pose. Take a breath here. Check in from head to toe. How's your body feeling? And then we're gonna repeat on the other side. So find your warrior 1. Send your right foot back. It's at a 45-degree angle. Make sure your feet are spaced apart in a way that feels comfortable with your hips facing forwards. Arms reach up. You're holding a crown above your head, about to place it. Notice your right hip. Notice left quad. Energy in your fingertips. So elegant, so regal here. And then find your warrior 2. Again, I'm gonna leave my legs where they are. I'm just rotating my hips and my torso. But if this makes your back knee uncomfortable, please move that back foot. And I don't know why I'm gazing at my back arm. There's no enemy behind me, they are in front of me. So I'm gonna smile at them over my fingertips. Shoulders are relaxed, but arms are lifted. Keep staring them down. And then come back, warrior 1. Place that crown up above your head. And then we'll find our warrior 3, hinging at your hips, pressing out of your left foot, but not too much. Not as if you were gonna jump. That'll knock you off balance. And again, your right foot is flexed. You're pressing a heel up, not your toes. Really root down into your left big toe. You're lifting out of your whole leg. And feel your fingertips extending towards your back foot. And then whenever you've had enough, slowly bending in your left knee, and your right foot comes down, high lunge, nice and slow, hands overhead. Ooh, feel that stretch in your right hip. And then we're dropping down into warrior two. Again, take your time to adjust. Check in with your front knee. Make sure you're bending, but that your knee is also right over your ankle. You might have to rotate from your hip, bringing that knee back. And then peaceful warrior, up and over. Oh, you needed this. And triangle pose. Nice and slow transition. Stacking your shoulders. If it feels okay on your neck gazing up, you can always gaze straight or down. Press into your left big toe. Activate through your hamstring. And again, we're not really putting any weight in this left hand. We're working our obliques here. Your core is what's keeping you from falling and collapsing into your left leg. And rise back up, warrior two. Take your sweet time, high lunge. And then mountain pose. Take a breath here. There's another one. And another one. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you had fun. I had a great time. Good luck with your writing projects. You've got this. But remember, you can keep writing in December, so don't panic. Don't let yourself get stressed. Just enjoy the process, enjoy the journey, not the destination. Because once you get to the destination, you have to start editing. And I promise that is way less fun than the actual writing part. So enjoy.